So what is this? It looks so delicious.
So this is sort of an Aperol Slushy type of idea.
Aperol Slushy.
So the idea being when it's hot outside, right?
Perfect
Wherever you are.
months. Yes.
Yes. So orange juice, lemon juice, a little sugar, and a little of this.
Aperol.
A little bitter orange liqueur. And then you just kind of, so it doesn't ever freeze because of the alcohol, right?
It's
so
a lovely grenade.
Correct. So you can leave it in the freezer and you can kind of just do this whenever you have people coming over, which I think is fantastic.
Slushies for grown-ups.
Exactly. So, I think the most phenomenal part of this is you're gonna top it with a little of this.
Yes.
And is the color. Look at that. If that doesn't say
gorgeous.
summer and refreshing,
Oh my God, right?
I don't know what does.
And I love that you put this book out in the spring because I feel like this makes you want to entertain and be outside and be with family and friends. You know, it really
does.
Congratulations.